morning, students. So today is the fourth lesson. What we are going to see. The lesson name is DR Congo, tropical hot wet forest. DR Congo. DR is not doctor. It is Democratic Republic of Congo. DR stand for. See, somewhere in the book you will find full name Democratic Republic. Somewhere you will find DR Congo. So don't confuse yourself. It is Democratic Republic of Congo. Now, can you see this picture? Yes. So this picture it tells you where it is located. ये कहाँ where it is located? कहाँ पे location है? See, let me explain this. This is suppose this is a globe. On the globe, you will find the direction east, west, north, south. East, west, north, south. See, very clearly you have to know that where is east, where is west, where is south, where is north. Okay. East, west, right hand side is always east. So east, west, north, south. This thing always I am telling you, whether you are remembering or not, I don't know. But you have to remember, no other way. Unless you don't understand this, you will never understand his geography. This comes under geography. Okay? So this is equator in the middle. The equator is drawn in the middle. Which way? It is drawn in the middle. And this is the longest latitude. This is latitude. Longitude comes like this. This I have explained in the previous lesson. Longitude is this one. This is latitude. This is the longest latitude. So this here, the degrees are marked here. Degrees 5, 10, 15. Last one is 90 degree. North pole. Then comes here 90 degree. 5, 10, 15 comes like this 90 degree. This portion, half of the portion is north. Is considered as north. This one is considered as south. So I have written is 5 degree north, 5 degree south. This DR Congo, what the lesson we are reading now, DR Congo falls between this 5 degree north and 5 degree south. This equator it falls on the equator. In this area only it is this DR Congo is there. DR Congo, it is found in Africa. Africa is a continent, you know that. There are 7 continents, out of 7 continents, 1 continent is Africa. And this Africa will is DR Congo. If I show you the location, when this falls on the globe, it falls between 5 degree north and 5 degree south. Okay. Now come here. The previously, before this Congo, DR Congo. See, Congo only you will confuse because two Congo is there. That I will tell you which is another one. There are 2 Congo. So before this DR Congo, Democratic Republic of Congo, I written here. DR is Democratic Republic of Congo. Before it was called as Zaire. इसका पहले का नाम है Zaire, and its capital is Kinshasa. Is its capital. Kinshasa. इसका capital है. Something you will see about Kinshasa. That Kinshasa, it is also a seaport. It's a river seaport. Seaport, you know that what is port. Port is a place where ship comes and stand, and from there it starts. Like how we have bus stand, bus comes and stand. Railway station, railway comes and train comes and stand, and it leaves from there. The same port are there. So port, seaport. Understand? So Kinshasa is a river port. One more port is found in DR Congo is Hindi is Matadi. Okay, no problem. Just you know that is seaport. मतलब sea के बगल में है तो seaport हुआ. ये river के बगल में है तो it is river port. Okay. Now we are going to see about the location where this DR Congo is located. I told you it is in Africa. ये अफ्रीका में है तो अफ्रीका में कहाँ पे है? लाइक इफ आई टेल यू बिहार, तो इंडिया में बिहार कहाँ पे है? तो यू विल टेल इट इज नॉर्थ में है. This Africa, I will show you this picture. It is in page number 34. It is almost in the middle, beach में, okay? It is in the middle of Africa. Okay. Now this DR Congo, it falls here. This place, no, it will be so hot. You know that equator, on the equator, this continent is, I told you it lies on the equator, 5 degree north, 5 degree south. Between this it lies there. So what happens? The climate over here it's very hot, because on the equator, you know that the rays of the sun falls directly, so it is very hot. It is also wet. The lesson name is there. It is hot, wet. It is hot, wet. Wet means humidity will be there. So where humidity is more, the rain is likely to be more there. वहाँ पे बारिश ज़्यादा हुई. We have studied in the previous lesson. Where humidity is more, rain is more. So this place, actually this Congo, it is covered with forest. It is covered with forest, and this forest, the trees will be tall. The tall trees will be there. These trees, when it grows, the branches of the trees comes and bends like that. ऐसे जाके ऐसे bend हो जाते हैं. तो what happens there? When it bends, the rays of the sun cannot pass. Sunlight cannot pass. So what happens? The area becomes, the portion below this it becomes dark. So during daytime also it is dark. तो dark रहने के चलते what it is, this Congo, DR Congo, it is known as heart of darkness. It is known as heart of darkness. Okay. Now you know that continent is also known as dark continent, because more forest is found there. Since forest will be there, wildlife means animals will be there. There are more animals, different types of animals are found in Africa. See, one animal is given as okapi. Okapi is a type of giraffe. It is like a giraffe. We have seen different type of giraffe. It will be the tallest animal found on the earth. The tallest animal found on the earth is giraffe. We have seen different type of giraffe, but okapi is another type of animal that is found in Africa. It is just like a giraffe. Okay, something I am going to show you here. This thing. So, if I ask you about India, what are the neighbor country found in India? You will tell all this: Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, this. You will tell that. But if I ask you what are the neighboring countries of DR Congo, Congo का neighboring country कौन सा है? What you will tell? So we are going to see that. Okay. East Burundi. Burundi is a place. It's a country. Okay. Burundi and Tanzania in the east. Uganda and Rwanda in the north. West. Come here. South. Zambia and Angola in the south. Now come west. Republic of Congo. See, I told you DR Congo is different. Republic of Congo is different. DR Congo is different. Don't confuse. हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं. Suppose ये मान लीजिए DR Congo है. Suppose this is DR Congo. So DR Congo के east में we have seen that. North we have seen. South we have seen. West side another one. Republic of Congo in the west. Understand? Make it clear, okay? Republic of Congo is different. That is found west of DR Congo. Make it clear. Don't confuse yourself. Okay. In the page number 37, when you are free, just read it. Okay. Page number 37. Water resource. It is said that Congo is the richest country in terms of water. Congo is the richest country in terms of water. Means Congo has huge supply of water. बहुत ज़्यादा पानी कोंगो में पाया जाता है. Since you can see that the Nile, it is the longest river found in Africa. After that, in Congo is the second longest river of Africa. Congo, the river name is named after the country. Country के नाम पर ही river का नाम रखा गया Congo River. Congo is a country. After the country, how ocean, Indian Ocean, if you see, it is named after a country. Country के नाम पे ocean का नाम रखा गया. Same way, Congo River, it is named after a Congo, dear Congo. That's the. So the second largest, Congo River is the second largest, sorry, not largest, longest. I will tell you the difference between the largest and the longest. Whenever you see the longest river, the longest, if someone is telling longest river, what he means is लंबाई from the source कहाँ से शुरू हुआ, where it ends, that is the longest river. If they will say largest, the question will come is largest. Largest means the amount of water volume. The amount of water it brings with it, that is called as largest. So the longest river of the world is Nile, and the largest river is Amazon. Understand? Longest Nile, largest Amazon. Longest, understand? From the source to where it ends, that is the longest. Largest means कितने पानी अपने साथ वॉल्यूम, कितने पानी लेके आ रहे, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज लार्जेस्ट. मेक इट क्लियर. Some of the main industry found here are copper, tin, gold. These are the minerals. Minerals found here. Okay, one more thing. Every country you will see there are some different category of people. Means rich, middle, and then comes poor. Very poor is also there. Rich, the middle one, not so rich, not so poor also. Middle, and then comes poor, and then very poor. Very poor means they will not have even their own houses to stay. अपना खुद का घर भी नहीं होता है उन लोग पास कि they will stay. So these people, what they do is, one night they will be staying somewhere. Suppose today they stayed here. The other night they will go somewhere in search of food. ऐसे उन लोग का मन नहीं है जाने का, but they don't have food. So what they will, you must have seen there some very small people. They have houses anyhow. Maybe they don't have their parents means where they are staying, we also don't know. So these people are found everywhere. So they are called as nomads. They are called as nomads. And the nomad of they are called as nomads. The people who move from one place to another in search of food. खाना के चक्कर में एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाते हैं, उन लोग कहा जाता है nomads. Okay, tribes. Tribes means, really I have confusion, but tribes means, let me tell you, the people staying for long time in the jungles. Like we have Jharkhand, the tribal are there. Tribal means they'll be staying in the jungle. Everything they'll be doing in the jungle. They are not even very rare. You will see they will come to the towns and all. They are called as tribes. So the tribes of Congo का tribes को pygmies बोले जाते हैं. They are called as pygmies. Primitive tribes of Congo, DR Congo, are called as pygmies. और उन लोग का दूसरा नाम है Bamuti. The other name for the pygmies is Bamuti. Okay. Another tribe और एक tribe है जो Congo में पाया जाता है. They are called as Bantu. Bantu, Bantu. They are called as Bantu. Hope you have understand. If you have not understand, go back, watch once again and again this video. You will clearly understand.